This rock needs to go. Give me another orange. Let me eat cherries. No, yeah, cherries. Let me eat. I'll get cherries in my fruit. I know I can sell them for a lot.
Okay, I look an absolute mess right now and my printer is printing, so that's that noise, but my mailers have come in. I got this size just so I could make sure that I had enough space no matter what. So yeah, I mean, like folded, obviously they'll be a little bit smaller, but I finally got my mailers in. They have to be flat mailers, obviously, so the prints and stickers don't bend, and I still put do not bend stickers on them and stuff so that the mail people do not bend them. But yeah, I'm very excited. This means that, fingers crossed, I can start selling my prints and my stickers this week. I did finally pay and get production started with my enamel pins and the acrylic charms, so that is very exciting. I'm very nervous, but obviously I trust the manufacturers that I chose, and I'm very excited to see when they come in the mail. Hi, I finally put on makeup because I thought that you guys deserved to see me better than I have been looking these past few vlogs. But I reprinted all of my sticker sheets to be an inch smaller, and I like them much better. I like this size a lot better, and I just like the size of the stickers much better. I think in the previous size they were just a little bit too big for it to be sticker sheets. So yeah, I have my Animal Crossing ones. I packaged these two bakery ones, which are love. I think these are my favorite. And then you guys have seen these breakfast ones, of course. I've had these for a while. Reprinted them. And my picnic themed ones are also reprinted. So Today is the day to take product photos. I had to order another size of mailers because I thought about it and I was like, if somebody doesn't buy an art print, then using those bigger mailers is really waste. Like, it's a big waste of an envelope. So I ordered a smaller size for if people only order stickers and stuff. So those are coming in tomorrow. My tissue paper to wrap the orders comes in on Friday. So I'm thinking that I will probably release these tomorrow or Friday. So that's exciting. Today I will take the product photos for the website. So yeah. I'm editing the pictures right now and I'm always so amazed by the power of editing, but this is before and after. Like, it's such a big difference. This looks so dull and dark, and then I edited it and it looks more true to the actual sticker sheet. So I just wanted to show you guys these prints I made, but if you remember a while back I made a video where I turned Studio Ghibli characters into snacks, and I went back and redrew them a little bit better because my style has evolved since then, and I have now made them into prints that will be up on my shop. And I guess by the time you guys see this video, my shop will be open. So these are available on my shop now, and I also made them into little stickers as well. So yeah. I haven't been vlogging. I didn't vlog all day yesterday because I opened my store yesterday and the orders were like extremely overwhelming, and I was definitely underprepared because I did not expect so many people to buy. So I have all these printed out and I'm just rotating them in and out of my Cricut, but yeah. So while I am in between, sorry, my machine is being very loud, but I'm still cutting stickers today. I just wanted to show you guys the package that came in today. I got some art supplies from Blick. If you don't know what Blick is, it's an art supply store, obviously, and they have certain locations. They don't have any here in Houston, but I ordered some because they have the cheapest prices. So I've ordered some Copics because I have a lot of neutral toned Copics, but not a lot of brighter Copics. So I bought all of these. Let's see if my camera will focus. Oh yeah, I just bought a bunch of greens and teals and some blues. I bought some oranges as well. These are the colors that I like to use in my art, and I didn't have them in some Copics, and I really love Copics, so yeah. Okay, and then next I got some Holbein acrylic wash in more colors because I love the ones that are already like pastel or something instead of having to mix them. So yeah, I bought quite a few. Let me pull them all out so I can show you. Okay, so I got quite a few colors, and I actually also got colors that I already had but I wanted to refill on just because, like I said, they have the cheapest prices here. So I got a few greens. I got ash green, sap green, blue green, and pale mint. Got one blue, navy blue. I got quite a few shades of yellows and oranges. I got ivory white, beige, yellow ochre, and gold. These are actually pretty similar, but it's okay. And I also got raw sienna and deep yellow. And then I got this ash rose color, which I thought was really pretty, pale pink, carmine, and raw umber. So yeah, I just got those things from Blick because they're some of my favorite art supplies. The Holbein acrylic wash is like my favorite paint ever. So yeah, I just wanted to expand the color range that I had in those things. Finally finished catching up with orders. I did not expect to get so many orders when I opened my shop, and I'm so grateful. So if you placed an order, thank you so much. It was just very overwhelming, and I very much underestimated the amount of orders and products that I would need for those orders. So I had to like go back and print and cut so many stickers and prints and stuff so I could catch up, but I'm caught up now. And I have extras and I'm prepared now, but oh my gosh. I've been working on this since yesterday 4 p.m. and it is now almost 7 p.m. today. Obviously I slept like 6 hours and I took a break to have lunch today. I'm so relieved, and thank you so much again to anyone who placed an order. That it means the world to me. I can't wait for you guys to get your products. But